Today is October 10th. It's currently almost 7 o'clock, 1 minute away from 7 o'clock. And I got things to do. I got homework to do, assignments to do. Literally Sunday and Mondays are my busiest like school days. Like things are due that day. I mean, I could totally do it before it's due, but life happens. So I have a lot of things due today. So let me show you my setup. I have my computer right here. Then I have my iPad right here. Okay, so that's the setup for today. I have a discussion board, a quiz, and a midterm exam. The midterm is an open book exam, like with all my notes and stuff, so that one's okay. And my discussion board, my quiz, and my genogram. Don't even know what that is, but that's all for the same class. So I'm gonna do the reading for that. I'll check back. I also really am hungry and it's 7 o'clock. And I want to make enchiladas, but that takes a lot of time. Like anyways, I just need to breathe. Yeah. Okay, so I've been doing homework for like 3 hours. I did my discussion post. I actually did my discussion post on Kim Kardashian and Kanye's relationship. So am I doing school? Yes. And is it interesting? Yes. I had to like think of the celebrity couple, of course. I literally didn't think of Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin, like, or Hailey Bieber. Like, I did not think of that. Like, I just thought Kim and Kanye, because like I watched the Kardashians, like I think I can reference some of the episodes or like whatever. If you're looking to take a class that's like interesting, super easy, and just overall just like not a dreadful class, I would strongly recommend taking a child and family development class. It's super interesting, well, in my opinion. But I'm also a sophomore in college, if anyone wondered. I don't know, I feel like I should just preface that. I have to do that, and then I have a, is it a midterm? I think it is a midterm. So yeah, my midterm is literally due in an hour and 20 minutes, and I'm doing it before. I just finished my exam, and I'm gonna just get ready for bed. It's 11:30, and I'm gonna watch One of Us is Lying, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, what I'm looking for at ikea is just a bunch of plants, because I have a bunch of pots that are like right there. So I just need to put like plant fillers, and I'm not ready for real plants because I definitely will kill them. So yeah, this is my IKEA fit. The top is thrifted. This blue race car baby tee with this oversized jacket, that's also thrifted. My Levi's 550s, also thrifted, and my Dunks. And they're kind of IKEA colored, so it's like perfect for the occasion. I just did a claw clip, just put on concealer, blush, mascara, nothing too crazy. So basically what I got was just a couple of plants, and my dad is getting a mirror for the bathroom. I really want their Swedish meatballs because they're really good, but we're gonna see. Also, I feel like I just look like an IKEA worker, like blue, yellow. I could work here. Literally one person walked by and was like, do you work here? But they were talking to the person behind me and not me, and it was embarrassing. Okay, so I'm back. It's been a couple of hours. It's currently 8 o'clock. It's time for some homework. I have my blue light glasses right here. I was just playing a Halloween playlist just to be a little spooky, scary, fun. Now I have a discussion post to do, my ASL homework to do, and I'm trying to knock that out before 10. I literally have been doing this though. Not gonna lie, for the past 30 minutes, but I was on my phone while listening to the lecture, so no. So technically I haven't. And then I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, so I woke up, I cleaned my whole room, then I went and helped my mom clean the rest of the house because we have guests coming over. Okay, I've been waiting on a package for the longest time, actually just 2 weeks. But it's my keyboard for my iPad. And I got off of AliExpress, it's right here, and I'm super excited to open it. It's that one keyboard that is all over Pinterest, all over TikTok, except I didn't get the green one. Even though my iPad is green and the case is green, however, my Apple Pencil is this purple color. And I still really like the color purple, and they did me dirty when they came out with the iPad mini and it's purple and the iPad Air. It's okay. That is literally a first world problem. It does not matter. What matters is I can't open this. Oh wait, I literally have so many scissors right here. Look at her, look at her, look at her. I'm not even gonna look at the instructions because I'm gonna figure it out myself. Literally, you cannot tell me this is not the prettiest thing ever. I was kind of scared because I haven't seen anyone use the purple one before. So I was like, is it gonna be as cute as the green one? And sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith and choose something that you like and that goes well with, what am I saying? Basically, you just need to not always follow trends and like choose whatever's like the trendy color. Of course I am choosing to be trendy because of this, because this is a trendy keyboard, but I'm saying like you don't need to get the color that, you don't need to get the exact one. You can choose it to your preference is basically what I'm saying. I'm living. More trash. I literally emptied out like the majority of like boxes, packaging and stuff out of my room. And it's already back. Do you see that? It literally fits perfectly. Look how cute she is. That is so freaking cute. Shut up. The sound is not even that satisfying. Is that satisfying? I feel like it's not. I was scared that it was gonna be like really loud, to be like, but it's actually just like pretty soft and cute. The mouse is really cute though. Okay, I'm gonna try to pair it. Oh my god, do I need batteries? Ugh. Literally, batteries are gonna be the death of me. Oh, I need a AAA battery. So I can't even use it. You know what that calls for? A Target trip. Target trip, just, I love it. Another excuse to go to Target. Thanks, love it. Oh my god, don't look at my crochet bag. She's not cute. To-do list, go to Target. Get AAA batteries. I need approximately 6 AAA batteries. I also need push pins, snacks, this is gonna be a really small Target list because, you know, I'll go to Target and I'll probably find things to buy, but like, I don't need to be just buying random things. I just need to get my batteries, push pins, maybe that's it. Batteries and push pins, that's really nothing, but like, going to Target is fun. So I got ready, I'm wearing my skim set, and I'm getting ready to go to Target. If you have long curly hair, and like claw clips, they don't work, especially for curly girls, they do not work. So what I do is, well, you can slick your hair down, but I just washed my hair. I don't feel like putting gel in it, but you put your hair in a low pony tight, then do the whole wrap situation and then claw it, and then it works. Actually I just changed my outfit. I'm still wearing my, Okay, I'm still wearing my Skims top, but I'm actually wearing these Brandy sweats. See how I have gray socks? Yeah, I don't have white socks. So I want to be wearing these with white socks. These are amazing. I don't need it, but I can't pass it up. Okay, so I'm back from Target. I got my drink. It's a grande iced chai latte with oat milk and pumpkin cold foam on the top with brown sugar. Tastes like pumpkin, not too pumpkin-y. It's really sweet and really thick, but it tastes good. But it was pricey. She was pricey and she's not a venti. She was like 6 something. I don't like Starbucks, to be honest. Like, I don't care for it at all. So like, this is just like a once and now and then. And I just wanted a fall drink. Don't you just get like stares when you go places? Like unsolicited stares. It's not even from like just men, not creepy men. I'm talking about like women, mothers, children. Oh, children love to stare at me. Maybe they're confusing me for their kind, but babies, children, toddlers, they feel a connection, a deep connection with me, and I don't know what it is. So I don't know. But this mom and her two kids didn't give 2 cents for me. They didn't care. These kids were different. The mom, like, we saw her in the parking lot. She was staring at me and she was staring at me in the store, and I was like, I didn't even have a camera now. I was just like walking. Maybe I just look good. Anyways, Target haul. These are good. These are good, especially if you just make your own guacamole. It doesn't even have to be guacamole. Just smash some avocado. Like what you put on your toast, use that. But put lemon? No, put lime in it. For my checklist items, the things I went to Target for: socks, Fruit of the Loom, socks, batteries, Target batteries. Did you know I made Target batteries? Because I didn't, but I love that they're orange. Did I even say that I wanted thumbtacks? But I guess I thumbtacks. I said pins. Pretty sure I said pins. And then I got tape, putty tape. I didn't say this, but when I said thumbtacks, this is kind of all grouped in the same thing. And I got Post-it notes for my textbook. And I got a Pizza Hut pizza from Target. Okay, wait. Before you start judging me, I know Pizza Hut isn't good, okay? Most people say Pizza Hut's not good. Most people are Domino's lovers. I think the Pizza Hut pizza, the small one at Target, is delicious. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, it is good. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you hate Pizza Hut. It's good. If you're wondering, Papa John's is my favorite. Domino's is good, but I'm tired of having Domino's. So Papa John's is my favorite. Maybe this is ugly too, but to me, time to put batteries in this. Imagine if I just completely got the wrong one. She's in there. This is the part that's gonna fuck me up. I don't know how to open this goddamn thing. You're freaking kidding. I better have one battery left. Look. Organization pays off, because if I hadn't just like cleaned my cabinets and stuff, I wouldn't have known what this was. Wait, the blue light turned on though. Okay, so we're gonna try to connect this now. Wait, let me show you the setup, cause look at this. The colors. Do I need to plug this into something? No, I need the instructions. I am not even gonna look at the instructions because I'm gonna figure it out myself. Look at my little cursor. This thing. Shut up. Okay, so basically what I had to do was use this, which I used to edit on my MacBook. So I use this, and so if I wanna use my keyboard, I need to plug that in. Shut up, this is everything. Period, look at this. This is the end of the video, honestly. I feel like I've talked a lot. This is probably gonna be a really long video. Thanks for watching this video. I have a lot of homework to do still. Midterms next week still. Let me know what type of videos I should do, or like give me some ideas. Everything is linked in the description below, my socials, anything. If you have any questions, comment, I'll respond. And yeah, subscribe, basically. Subscribe if you enjoyed this.